Hi, let me talk to you like a friend for a moment. Today, I'm not here to interpret any dream. I want to talk to you about how you can remember your dreams better and how your dream life can become clearer and stronger. Because honestly, many people dream every night, but they wake up and forget everything, and that can be frustrating. First, let's talk about why dream matters. Why dreams matter. Dreams are one of the ways your mind talks to you when your body is resting. When you are busy during the day, your mind doesn't always get space to speak, but at night it speaks through pictures, stories, and feelings. Sometimes dreams shows things you are worried about, things you are ignoring, lessons you need to learn, or directions your life is trying to take. Not every dream is deep, but some dreams carry messages. And when you keep ignoring them, you miss helpful signs about yourself. That's why dreams matter. Now, let me say something very important. If you don't write your dreams down, you will forget them. Dreams fade very fast, sometimes in less than 5 minutes. Recording your dreams helps you notice patterns, remember details, understand meanings over time, and take your dream life seriously. When your mind sees that you value your dreams, it starts giving you clearer ones. It's like telling your mind, hey, this matters to me. Now, let me share simple, practical things you can do. Nothing hard, nothing strange. Number one, set a simple intention before sleeping. Before you sleep, just say something simple in your heart, like, I want to remember my dreams tonight. You don't need long words, just be calm and honest. This small habit alone can change a lot. Number two, avoid too much noise before bed. Try to reduce loud videos, heavy movies, or stressful content before sleeping. Your mind needs to slow down. If your mind is noisy, your dreams becomes noisy too. A calm mind gives clearer dreams. Number three, keep a notebook close to your bed. This is very important. When you wake up, don't rush to your phone. Don't jump up immediately. Stay still for a moment. Ask yourself, what did I just see? Then write anything you remember. A person, a place, a feeling, even just one image. It doesn't have to make sense. Just write. Number four, write even when the dream is short. The dream is short. Some people say it was too small, so I didn't write it. No, write it anyway. Short dreams often grows into clearer dreams later. Number five, pay attention to feelings, not just pictures. Sometimes the feeling matters more than the image. Ask yourself, was I happy? Was I scared? Was I confused? Or was I calm? Those feelings are clues. Number six, be patient with yourself. This is not a competition. Some nights you will remember a lot, some nights you will remember nothing. That's okay. Dream strength grows with time. Let me end with this. Your dream life is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. When you respect your dreams, your mind responds with clarity. So, start small, be patient, write things down, pay attention, and over time you will notice something beautiful. That's all for this one. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you want me to explain or interpret a dream you had, tell me in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.